Welcome to this exclusive video that blends art, beauty, and creativity. Today, we proudly present the Black and Red Tape Project, a captivating body art masterpiece set against the elegant backdrop of Miami Swim Week. This project celebrates boundless creativity, where every detail of the black and red tape creates a unique and meaningful visual experience. Through slow motion, you'll witness the beauty in every movement, showcasing how this design brings body art to life in a way you've never seen before. It's not just about fashion. It's an artistic creation that honors boldness, elegance, and innovation. This project is the result of an extraordinary collaboration between designers, models, and artists who have come together to craft something far beyond traditional clothing. It's an artistic exploration that sparks imagination and conveys a message about the beauty of self-expression. Support art and creativity by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel to stay updated on more inspiring projects. Enjoy this remarkable moment and become part of a journey toward breathtaking aesthetics and innovation.